Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 2, Day 5. Okay, we're going to say some sounds and then blend them. Then we're going to say a word and break it into sounds. S, n, sun, b, g, bug, d, m, drum, f, f, fluff. Now I'm going to say a word and I want you to say each sound. Fun, f, n. 3. Luck, k. 3. Cluck, k, k. 4. Plus, p, s. 4. Truck, t, k. 4. Spun, s, p, n. 4. Okay, and you'll notice that a lot of these blends, you have to remember a blend has two sounds. So even though it's truck, it's still t-er. Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Fun. 3, 2, 1. Rub. 3, 2, 1. Snug. 3, 2, 1. Drum. Okay, so let's look at this word. Here we go. Gum. Change the g to h. Hum. Change the m to g. Hug. Change the h to p. Pug. Change the add an ol after p. Plug. Change the g to s. Plus. Change the s to k. Pluck. Get rid of the ol. Cover up the ol with your hand. It'd be puck. Change the k to f. Puff. Change the p to h. Huff. Change the f to t. Hut. Change the h to b. Butt. Change the t to n. Bun. Change the b to f. Fun. Change the f to s. Sun. Oh, whoops. Sun. Change the n to b. Sub. Okay, and that's our last word. Okay, a lot of these are just you reading them. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yuck. 3, 2, 1. Bug. 3, 2, 1. Puff. 3, 2, 1. It's. 3, 2, 1. Cliff. 3, 2, 1. Mud. 3, 2, 1. Plug. 3, 2, 1. Gruff. 3, 2, 1. She's. 3, 2, 1. Track. 3, 2, 1. Huff. 3, 2, 1. Cub. 3, 2, 1. Fluff. 3, 2, 1. He's. 3, 2, 1. Truck. 3, 2, 1. Stuff. 3, 2, 1. Fun. 3, 2, 1. Pluck. 3, 2, 1. What's. 3, 2, 1. Clock. 3, 2, 1. Drum. 3, 2, 1. Huts. 3, 2, 1. Plus. 3, 2. Oh, I skipped one. Oh, no, I didn't. Plus. 3, 2, 1. Let's. 3, 2, 1. Cluck. 3, 2, 1. Snug. 3, 2, 1. Stuck. 3, 2, 1. Dress. 3, 2, 1. Buzz. 3, 2, 1. Puffed. And we're done with that. Done. Okay, so what is a contraction and how do you form one? So we have he is, cross off the I, put an apostrophe. It becomes he's. Okay, here's the next one. She is. What do we cross off? The I, put an apostrophe. It becomes she's. It is, cross off the I, put an apostrophe. It's. And last one, let us, cross off the U, put an apostrophe. Let's. Okay, here are our words. Here we go. Could. Could you pass the nuts, please? Live. Does a fox live in a den? 1. There is one frog on the log. Then. What did you do then? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 black dogs run in the grass. Okay, here's our story. I'm going to let you do it, and then I'll do it. Together, not a pet. Here are words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, in. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, are. 3, 2, 1, my. Okay, you go first, then we'll do it together. Together, not a pet. Okay, your turn. Together, a hen can sit in it, not a pet. Your turn. Together, it can sit in a den, not a pet. I'll move this over so you can see the goat. Your turn. Together, it can tap in a pen, not a pet. Okay, do you see that snake hiding? Your turn. Together, it can sit in a pit, not a pet. Last one. Together, Ned Cat can nap. You are my pet, Ned. Ned. So they're happy. You are my pet, Ned. You are my pet, Ned. Okay, so remember, a singular noun is single. It's only one. A plural noun generally has an S after it, and it's more than one. So let's look at the sentence. The hen put the eggs in boxes. So a noun is the person. So who? We don't have a person. Place. We don't have a place. Thing. We have a lot of things in this sentence. The hen is a thing. Put the eggs, that's a thing. In boxes, that's a thing. We have 3 nouns in this sentence. Now, does hen have an S? No, so it's singular. It's single. Singular noun. Eggs, does eggs have an S? Yes, that would be a plural noun. Does boxes, does it have that ES? Yes. More than one? That is a plural noun. Okay. How do I know if each noun is singular or plural? So we'll read it and then see if it's plural or singular. Map. Does that have an S? No, it'd be singular. We'll put an S. Boxes. Is there an S? Yeah. Oh, yes. So map is singular. It's by itself. Boxes, do you see an ES? Whoops. Hold on. I'm trying to get my pointer to work. It's kind of not working for a minute. Let's see. Let's try again. Okay, it's not working, so I'll just have to say it. Boxes, do you have an S at the end? Yes. So that would be plural. Okay. Now, we have bugs. Do we have an S at the end? Yes. So it's plural. Bus. Do we have an S at the end? Yes. But remember, when the word ends as an S, you have to add buses. So would that be plural? No, that would be single. It's just a bus. It's not buses. Last one, hut. Do we have an S at the end? No, it's singular. So it's all by itself. So remember, a singular noun is a person, place, or thing that's by itself. And a plural noun is more than one person, place, or thing. And last of all, remember, if we have an X at the end of a word, 2 S's, or 1 S, we have to add ES. So X becomes, like box becomes boxes. Pass becomes passes. And bus becomes buses. Even though they end with an S, they still need that ES to make it sound correct. Okay, friends, thank you. Bye.